Hello folks, some of you have been requesting that I publish a video about the CNC that I have been working on. Well, this is it. So there it is. There's the CNC. As you can tell, it's not finished. It's not finished yet. It still needs its lid, boxing and casing. The side looks okay. The dust extraction is work in progress. There's the back. Yep, there's the spindle. And there's the side of the machine with the electric panel, which I've yet to close as well, as you can see. Now, having said that, not finished, but fully functional, it does work. So there's the design, as you can see, has been thought out to be something quite small. So it's on wheel, I can roll it, move it in a corner. The back of the machine has been designed so that, you know, there's not much sticking out. We've got, this is a universal socket for the dust extractor, a vacuum cleaner. This is the mains power. This is the dust port. This is the inlet for the compressor, because there's an upgrade for automatic tool change, which requires pneumatic, and also on the top of the machine there is this little widget here, which is the tool setter, and that can actually blow air, so it requires a compressor. And this thing here is the water cool for the spindle. We have the Wi-Fi for the controller. The back, still work in progress, but it's not too bad. Doesn't look too messy. Just me playing with the pipes here. That's for the water cooling. Big fat industrial connector, everything. So I can just unplug the machine, you know, remove it. The dust port as well. Just unscrew there, and it comes loose. So it's very simple to actually remove the machine from its stand. Yeah. Now let's operate the baby. So there's a main on-off switch here, big industrial fat thing. Turn it on. Ooh, lights come on. Now what I need to do now is deploy the side screen, which is running the Masso PLC. And what I can do as well, because I wanted everything to be flush, is raise this thing now. That's it, now it's ready to go. Because I don't have a lid yet, the door is flashing, and it's flashing because I've basically set it to override door open detection, which would stop the machine. So because I've just turned on the machine, what I need to do, the first thing I need to do is check that my emergency stop still works. I'm pressing it, that's good, releasing it, and now I can actually home the machine, and the machine is going to slowly home itself. And I love this bit. Little kiss, and that's it. That's it. Machine is ready to go. And from the master screen now, I can actually load a file. So I can put a USB stick, or I just send it wireless to the machine, and I can, just to get started, so I've just been cutting some PCBs, making some PCBs, so I'm just going to jog the machine, go on Y, full brown, move the machine there, for example, and the offset a little bit slower. So for example, I can set my machine there, and what I need to do is just hit the 0 on the screen, as you can see, and that's my 0 offset. So anything I'm going to be running would be running from this offset now, any program. And obviously, I can actually, with the Masso, it's really good. Everything is interactive, so I can actually, you know, type in some G code. So just gonna move, let's G0 Z just move it up. 3. Okay, just move my z-axis up so I don't collide with anything. I probably actually want to move it a little bit further. Z40 and run. There we go. And I could do a command such as a G1 command to say, okay, X go 100, Y go 100, feed rate of 100, and I could turn on the spindle, which will be quite loud. There you go. Spindle is running, which turns on the water cooling. So its light comes on. I could also turn on the dust extraction. Just turn off the spindle for now. And yeah, and just run that code. There we go. That's, with this router to cut PCBs, that's about the feed rate that I've been testing with. So I do have a constant plate. Yeah. So I can just load. And there you go. I'm just checking. I've done my 0. I don't know how deep it's going to go. I'm just going to 0 my Z here, so it doesn't actually do anything. And so I can just go hit the stop. Ask me to change the tool. Okay. Change the tool. Resetting the origin. Moving back. And now spindle on. Waiting for the spindle to come to speed. And now doing the cut. You can see it on the screen running the program. Okay, and there we go. And stop spindle. And that's it.